Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who stitches, does things with textiles. Knitting, crocheting, weaving, felting, sewing, all of those kind of things. But I'm also an art tube YouTuber. I like to do all different kinds of creative things on this channel. On this channel, we do anything and everything I want to do. I live my life in a box. I don't want the creativity to be in a box. We do all kinds of things on this channel, including open stuff, unboxings, yay! Okay, for those who don't know, I am a Lady and the Tramp collector, especially, I'm a Disney dog collector, but they are my favorite. And Squishmallows came out with tiny ones. Now, these came out in like February, and I tried to find them, and I couldn't. Recently, Box Lunch had them on clearance, and so I bought 3. I don't have the best luck with these, but I really am hoping I got Lady and Tramp. And then a third one that maybe I can give to a friend. So the options here are Mickey, I know Minnie's an option too, there she is, Minnie, Tigger, Pooh, Stitch, Tramp is not on here, but he is an option. And then I think there's another like rare Stitch, which I don't want, but I know where he can go. Okay. I'm going to start with purple and hope for the best. Guys, send me all the luck. So, can't really see in here. I'm going to close my eyes and you guys are going to see it first. My eyes are still closed. This is not Lady, but it could be Tramp. It's Tigger. Well, he's cute. Oh, look, he's got a little... Hey! I've never seen anybody show these. He's got like a little card. Tigger, based on Winnie the Pooh by A.A. Milne and E.H. Shepard. Well, that's cute. Okay, so if you've never seen these before, I love this size. This is a great size. It's kind of like the size of my tots. You see my tots? A little bit. So they're more oval. His tail is really cute. Okay, I don't dislike him. He's just not who I wanted. Alright, we can have one extra friend, but we need Lady and Tramp. Okay. Come on, Lady and Tramp. So these two are both yellow. See if we can see anything. Not really. Alright, gonna close my eyes again. You guys are gonna see first. I feel, let's see, it's got a tail. This feels like an ear. Oh, it's Stitch. It's Stitch. So he has really pretty embroidered details. We're going to look at these more when I'm done unboxing. Okay, come on world, I just want Lady. Please, even if I can't have Tramp. Can I have Lady? Because then maybe I could make Tramp. But Lady would be harder to make, so. Everybody, send me Lady vibes. Lady vibes, Lady vibes. Oh no. This does not feel furry enough. I got another Stitch, didn't I? I did. I got a duplicate Stitch. Well, rats. I wonder what I can do with these containers. These actually would be really great to put stitch markers in. Anyway. Okay, so let's look at these up close. We have 2 Stitches and a Tigger. Let's take a look at our little friends. Okay. So Tigger has these really great details. I love all the embroidery. I'm here for all the embroidery. I love that they did that. They used to do that with the Tsum Tsums, and they don't do that anymore. Now they're just printed on, and I don't really love them. But I loved the old ones. So, and I collect the old ones. Well, certain movies. So, I actually do kind of collect Winnie the Pooh stuff. So I guess Tigger can stay. Anyway, so he's got a cute little face and his little embroidered whiskers and his little pink nose. And this part is fuzzy, which is fun. I think it's really fuzzy right here. He's very, very soft. He's about... Oh, I can tell you how big he is. Because we are in my tutorial station, so I have supplies. Tigger is from ear. He is about 3 inches. And let's see, let's use the seam because that's the middle. So from seam to seam, he is like 3 1/4 inches. Not very big. Great stocking stuffer size. And he's got a cute little tail and his little ears. Okay, so now we have Stitch and Stitch. This one got a little dented. There we go. Let's see if we can... There. Now, I actually have friends who are big Stitch fans, so they might need him. But he can't come empty-handed, so I may have to do something to jazz this up a little. Anyway, he's got his little patch on the back, which is super cute. His eyes are embroidered. His little nose. I love this little tuft of hair thing. That's cute. His little ears. Very, very soft. His little fuzzy tummy. They are well made. I do like them. It's just not the ones I wanted. The other Stitch is the same. So, well, you guys, I tried. So, oh well. We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, this is the cutest thing ever. I've got a fragile sticker from Pink a la Mode on my box, but I also have this adorable little handwritten note. Aww. I got 3 more from Pink a la Mode. They were having a sale. Plus, I got this for my friend. And I'm not going to show you what it is because it's for my friend. And she watches this channel. Well, it's not going to be a satisfying tear. Okay. See if I can get all of these off here. I got a new color this time. We're just hoping for no duplicates, definitely. And of course, we're always hoping for Lady and Tramp. And I'm gonna repurpose these containers. These are really great. We're going to open this one last because if everybody who's not new knows, turquoise is my favorite color. Okay. Let's do yellow again. Let's see if it's Stitch. No Stitch. No Stitch. Okay. Again, I'm going to close my eyes. You guys are going to see first. And we're going to feel. Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's Lady! Oh my gosh! My lady girl! Okay, details. No, we'll do details later. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought these were Stitch ears. Oh, yay. Oh, and her little collar. Okay, we'll do details later. Come on, Tramp. Come on, Tramp. Okay. Gonna close my eyes. And I'm gonna feel. Uh-oh, this is definitely Stitch. Oh, but it's Special Stitch. Ooh. Well, that's interesting. Okay, we'll do details in a minute. Where's the little card? Wait a minute. The last ones came with this thing. Ah. don't have little cards? Okay, I saw a lot of people open this one in this color, and it was Tramp. So let's just hope for Tramp, because then I'll have them. Okay, we're opening with my eyes closed. Okay, whatever it is has short ears. Yay! Yo, we got Lady and Tramp! All right. Took me 6 tries, but we got Lady and Tramp. Okay, let's do details and let's do stitch first. So, this is the special alien stitch. And he's got his suit, which is printed on. It's not embroidery, but his face is complete embroidery. Look at that. His little patch. He's got his little alien doodads. I'm sorry, I don't know technical terms. Oh, he's got a little... Are you supposed to make him a keychain? Wait, this one doesn't have it, does it? Here's the original stitch. No! So, are you supposed to make him a keychain? Huh. Well, that's cute. He's really, really soft. He's softer than this one. Okay. Let's talk about the best couple ever. Okay. This is Tramp. So they both have, Lady and Tramp both have embroidered dog collars. And really, really soft. Holy cow. Her ears are extremely soft, and they're a different kind of fabric so that they can make the fluffy ears. Their faces are embroidered. Love that. They're really, really soft. His ears are ridiculously soft. Oh, how cute. Yay, I finally got them. Oh, he's got one too. Look. I wonder if... Oh, wait. She looks like she might have had one at one time. Or not. I don't know. Anyway, Tramp and the alien stitch have these little loops that you could make them keychains. If I get a duplicate, we might do that. So... I'm so happy! Yay! Okay, the Amazon ones are here. They show Alien Stitch and Tramp this time on the label. And I do not have my stand today, so I don't really know how I can show you that I opened them, but I'm gonna get the plastic off first. Okay, so we have a new color this time. We have orange, we have turquoise again, and purple again. Okay, I'm gonna try and open this one-handed and with my eyes closed. Oh no, I don't think I can open this one-handed. Oh wait, I got it, okay. Eyes are closed. Oh no, it's another stitch. I can tell. It's really soft. Is it the special stitch? It is! Oh! Oh, I've got 2 special stitches now. So I now have 4 stitches. Do I have 4 friends who like stitch? I don't know. Have to see. And again, there's no cute little card. Boo. Okay, orange, brand new color. All right, closing my eyes, and I'm trying to open this with one hand. I got it. Haha. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Is this another stitch? Yes, it is. What? Okay, he is very common. If you like Stitch, there's a good chance you'll get him. But what I want to know is Tramp always turquoise? Let's find out. Just please don't be Stitch. Anything but Stitch. Oh, we got another tramp! Oh my goodness! Oh, he is not stuffed very well. Wow. I can make him really flat. He is not stuffed well. Wow. Okay. But he's very soft. So again, turquoise and tramp seem to be a thing. And there's that little thing on the side again, whatever that's called. I don't know, loop. He's still extremely cute. And then we've got Special Stitch, Alien Stitch, and Regular Stitch. Oh, wait, this one has a loop. The other one didn't have a loop. So maybe the Box Lunch ones don't have a loop, and the Pink Alamode ones do. This came from Amazon, so I don't know where it came from, but okay. So we got another tramp, another alien, and another regular Stitch. Please remember to check out the Facebook group. It is linked down below. They get free patterns. They get to vote first. It's really fun. It's kind of like a membership, but it's free. All you have to do is answer 2 questions. What do I say at the end of every video? Every single video. And what do you love about yarn? And if you don't love yarn, what do you love that other people do with yarn? So, thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!